Onyonka, I've been informed Senator Sifuna was dropped by the system. So he's...
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. As a member of the Committee on National Security, I find this inquiry quite hypocritical, Honorable Speaker, because I am aware that IPOA has already told us the challenges that they are facing in bringing rogue police officers to account. Honorable Speaker, some of those reasons, and I will be able to demonstrate who we should be bringing before this committee to give us a report. IPOA have cited lack of cooperation by the police in their investigations, including, Honorable Speaker, their refusal to surrender firearms, their refusal to record statements. They have told us that they have inadequate funding. They have told us that there is chronic understaffing. They have only 77 investigators who are supposed to be manning a police force, a full complement of over 125,000 officers. They have cited parallel investigations by DCI and the so-called Internal Affairs Unit as interfering in some of those operations or investigations by IPOA. They have also told us that the government has not put in place adequate measures to protect witnesses. So all of these challenges, Honorable Speaker, point to the fact that we should be asking government and the Minister for Internal Security, the Honorable Murkomen. By the way, that individual called Murkomen is still on the Senate WhatsApp group because he's a former senator. So all of those things we are saying, and in fact I've taken advantage of that. Yesterday I saw him saying that he did not, or he was not aware that we were going to Kitengela. I have sent the notification for the Kakamega rally that we have made to the OCPD of Kakamega to his WhatsApp number, and I'm going to send it to the Senate WhatsApp group because he reads our messages there, although he's not a senator, so that he cannot come and tell the country tomorrow that he was not aware that we are going to have a meeting. Honorable Speaker, all those people who are involved in these things should be brought to book. Even in Kitengela, Honorable Speaker, we lost a life needlessly. We lost a life because of police action, not because that there was something wrong that we were doing. The last hypocrisy that I want to point out is that this statement is being sought by the same person who was accusing politicians of orchestrating violence on themselves. Shame on you, Senator Cherargei.